for coming this morning to celebrate with us, including my mums from Whakatū, in regards to their kaupapa that they've been doing for the last year alongside the Korowai Trust and Whakatū. The idea for tohu tau came from the women within the community that I worked alongside of. A lot of them were sick and tired of going out to get Uber Eats and just wanted some home cooking, something that they'd be able to learn to be able to cook. Days have changed, time has changed, but we need to bring people's thinking back to how we used to be in the olden days. It came down to our mums having to look to their tupuna through their whānau connections to find the recipes that were collated into the tohu tau book. My passion for cooking, honestly, my passion for cooking comes from myself.
It was wonderful to be part of this initiative because I think Helen really summed it up, that it's a living, it's a taonga that will carry on for our whānau.
On a personal level, reconnecting with whānau.
We came together as a whānau. Our tupuna came alive in this.
This launch has really helped me, not only myself, but my whānau at home and down to my tamariki.
I think what the women have done here in Whakatū is really exciting. It's about creating a legacy for their children in mokopuna.
I was excited going through it. Yeah, it's very handy for me.
Oh, it's full of delicious kai. Things that not many people know about, like there's the pickled power.
That's what I loved about this kaupapa.
But the outcome of it can bring many together. It's about bringing not just family, but a whole tribe can come miles just to eat that sort of food. And that's what this book is about. It's not about focusing just on our own whānau. It's about sharing that love with everybody and anybody that you know. From this is just the seed of what can be achieved within whānau, for whānau. E ki ana te whakatauki, e hara takitoa e te tō takitahi, engari te tō takitini. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tape katoa.